Professionals who often works outdoor carry some tools that helps them like their workmate. That's why we've gathered some of the most important tools that will be a great aid for those outdoor pros. First, we have the Worx 2-in-1 Switchdriver. But this time, it's the new Nitro version. This tool takes the original 20-volt Switchdriver and makes it even better with a brushless motor that gives you 25% more power, runs 50% longer, and lasts 10% longer than traditional motors. The best part? The rotating dual chuck lets you switch between drill and driver bits with just a twist. Plus, the smart digital interface makes it super easy to switch between modes and choose from 9 different torque settings, so you always have the right amount of power for the job. Need more control? The variable speed trigger helps you start smoothly, while the 2-speed gearbox handles everything from light tasks to tougher materials. And let's not forget comfort. With its ergonomic design and grippy micro-textured handle, you can work longer without your hand feeling like it just ran a marathon. Next, we have the Stihl HTA 135 Battery Telescopic Pole Pruner. A tough, reliable tool made for professionals who need power, precision, and convenience on the job. It's built with a sturdy telescopic boom that adjusts easily so you can reach high branches without the hassle. The chain sprocket cover is designed to handle wood chips more efficiently, keeping your workspace cleaner while you work. Plus, with splash protection, you don't have to worry if the weather turns a bit wet. This pruner can handle it. The air filter system helps keep dirt out and airflow strong, so the tool lasts longer and keeps performing at its best. Also, the lightweight magnesium gear, along with a built-in branch hook and arrow bar, makes it easier to grab and cut branches with precision. And if you like staying on top of maintenance, the pruner is compatible with the Smart Connector 2A, so you can track its performance easily. Mowers, if you're a pro who spends hours keeping lawns in top shape, the Ego Power Plus 1000 Series mower might just become your new best friend. This mower packs serious power with a 22-inch super composite deck and select cut system, delivering over 10 foot-pounds of torque. Yep, more than many gas-powered mowers out there. It's built to handle tough jobs with blade speeds of up to 3,200 revolutions per minute, giving you clean, precise cuts every time. And you won't be stopping to recharge anytime soon. The 2 included 56-volt, 6-amp-hour ARC lithium batteries give you up to 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Plus, the self-propelled touch drive system makes it super easy to maneuver, even on tricky terrain. And here's the best part. That durable deck comes with a 10-year limited warranty, so you know it's built to last. Are you looking for a trimmer that can handle medium-sized yards with ease? Say hello to the Ryobi 13-inch string trimmer. With the power of the 18-volt 1 Plus system, it delivers over 55 minutes of runtime using the included 4-amp-hour battery, so you can get the job done without constant recharging. You can adjust the cutting width from 11 to 13 inches, giving you the option to maximize performance or extend runtime depending on what you need. The auto feed head takes care of itself, automatically reloading and advancing the string with every pull of the trigger. And for those clean edges around sidewalks or driveways, the pivoting head lets you easily switch to an edger function. It's a great tool for pros looking for power, flexibility, and a smooth finish in one package. Next up, we have a blower that's packed with power but easy on the arms during long hours of work. Meet the Echo X Series DPB 2600. It's a dual intake handheld blower, which means it pulls air from both sides to give you more power and eliminate that annoying spinning effect. Weighing just 2.5 kilograms, it's 43% lighter than the PB2620, while actually providing about 6% more power. The design is balanced and compact, making it comfortable to handle, and the redesigned fan blades keep it quieter by reducing that high-pitched whine. This blower is a real breakthrough in cordless technology, offering pro-level performance that outshines many gas models, all while being more efficient and easier to use. ever tried trimming high hedges while balancing on a ladder? The DEWALT 18-volt XR pole hedge trimmer solves that problem with ease. It gives you a reach of up to 3 1/3 meters, so you can comfortably trim those tall hedges while standing safely on the ground. The 7-position articulating head lets you adjust the blade angle, making it simple to shape and maintain shrubs of all kinds. With a cutting speed of 2,800 strokes per minute, you get clean, efficient cuts every time. Its 55-centimeter blade can handle branches up to 25 millimeters thick. And thanks to the powerful battery, you get up to 75 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making your trimming tasks less tiring and more productive. Keep your garden lush and green with the Holman Oscillating Sprinkler. This clever little tool delivers a consistent, even spray across your lawn, with a coverage area of up to 96 square meters. You can easily adjust the water flow to match your garden's needs, whether it's a small flower bed or a more extensive lawn. The sprinkler's oscillating mechanism ensures every corner gets watered without leaving dry spots. Plus, it's built tough to withstand the elements, so you don't have to worry about replacing it every season. With its simple setup and adjustable levers, it's a practical and reliable companion for anyone who takes pride in their outdoor space. Who doesn't want to stay warm and comfortable even on the coldest workdays? So here comes the Milwaukee Outdoor Heated Jacket. Though it's not a tool, but it's designed for outdoor professionals who don't let the weather slow them down. It uses advanced HEDGE and heat technology to distribute warmth evenly across your chest, back, and even the pockets. With rapid heat-up times and extended battery life, you can stay cozy for hours without constantly recharging. The jacket runs on Milwaukee's M12 battery system, so if you already use Milwaukee tools, you're all set. Built with rugged materials and reinforced seams, this jacket can handle rough job site conditions while keeping you comfortable and focused on your work. Tired of wrestling with tangled garden hoses? The Gardena Wall mounted hose box makes watering your garden a smooth and hassle-free experience. The hose box is mounted to the wall and swivels 180 degrees, giving you full range around your garden. The automatic rewind function ensures the hose retracts neatly without knots or kinks. With durable UV protection and frost-resistant materials, this hose box can stay outside all year round without a problem. Plus, it comes with a 1.5-meter connection hose and various fittings, so you're ready to go right out of the box. It's a simple yet effective solution that saves you time and effort. Wrapping up with the Greenworks GD40CS15 battery chainsaw. This tool delivers professional-grade performance without the noise or maintenance of a gas-powered saw. It features a 35-centimeter bar and chain, perfect for handling most residential and commercial tasks. The chain zips through wood at 12 meters per second, giving you fast, clean cuts. Automatic chain oiling keeps the chain lubricated for optimal performance, while the tool-less tensioning system makes adjustments quick and easy. As part of the Greenworks 40-volt family, the battery works with other tools in the range, adding convenience and value to your toolkit. Lightweight and well-balanced, this chainsaw makes tree work less of a chore and more of a satisfying job well done. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.